Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab fried rice. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including about 8 ounces of fresh crab meat and 2 cups of day-old cooked rice. Next, finely chop 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 shallots, and the white parts of 3 green onions. Finally, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar for your sauce. Now, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your chopped garlic and shallots, stirring constantly for about 30 seconds until they become fragrant. Then, push the aromatics to one side of the pan and crack 2 eggs directly into the empty space. Scramble them quickly until just set, then break them into smaller pieces. It's time to bring everything together. Add your 2 cups of day-old rice to the wok, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in the prepared sauce, tossing everything together to ensure the rice is evenly coated. Next, gently fold in the 8 ounces of fresh crab meat and the white parts of your green onions. Continue to stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. To finish, stir in the green parts of your green onions and a dash of white pepper for a subtle kick. Give it one final toss, then transfer your delicious crab fried rice to serving plates. Garnish with fresh cilantro or a lime wedge if desired, and serve immediately while hot. For more great cooking tips and deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.